We got a 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm sure you guys have seen pictures, but I'm gonna do a video of it. We got our 2011. Target we're shooting for is passenger side, left side kick panel here. I'm gonna pull this out a little bit just to give us some room, and pull down this real quick. As you can see, our target right here. So we're shooting for this green star connector right here. Yeah, it's a little tight in there, but all right, let's see if we can get it down. There we go. I'll just fold it out. There we are. We're going to bypass pin. Put in either center console or start stop button and press unlock once. Press it again. That's it. Disconnect. See our door locks. We'll go around real quick.